Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 2026 Winter Grand Slam Championship. Today, we have our finalists and actually a new member of our Early Bird League, Satinder. So, Satinder, tell us a little bit about your tennis history and why you love the game so much.
Uh, I started playing tennis when I was at Penn State around 2008, 2009, with friends. Learned by myself, playing with friends and uh, just getting on the court. Uh, what I love about the sport is that, most of the times, all you need to play is a racket, a ball, and a wall. And, you know, uh, it makes you run around a lot. And I like about it that uh, it helps me, keep my weight in check.
Yeah. And then you could actually play this sport till you're like 80,
Yeah,
85.
yeah. You can play doubles, you can play singles, and you don't have to run all the time. You can rally, and so there are so many different aspects of the game that I mean, you can keep working on them all your
Right,
life, and
right.
you still may have a chance to play.
So this is your first time in the final, your first time in the tournament and first time in the final. That's amazing. What are your thoughts going into the final playing against Charles?
Jarvis is a formidable player. So I don't think a lot of players have beaten him right on court. But my goal is just to have fun, enjoy myself, play my own game, and see how it goes.
Okay, well, good luck today
Make it.
and have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here is Jarvis, our second finalist. I think you had a that's 18-2 record this year or something like that, which is totally amazing.
4 something.
18, yeah, but that's still very good, very amazing. Hey, Jarvis, tell us, some of us know you for a long time and some of us don't. Tell us about your tennis history and what got you into tennis.
Yeah, so I started playing tennis in high school. My father got me into tennis. He never played, but he thought it'd be a good sport because it's lifetime. I grew up playing basketball. Matter of fact, I got a basketball court in my backyard.
That's where you get the good footwork from, right?
Yes. So I played lots of basketball and picked up tennis, played high school tennis, went to regionals, went to state, got my butt kicked first round, but it was something to say. I only played 4 years, made it to state. And then put the rack down for many years. Then unfortunately my father passed, picks it back up as a reminder every time I play, I think of him. And so that's why I play the game now because of my dad. Even never played, like I said, but he thought it'd be a sport I could play into my old age, as he would say.
Amazing, amazing. So going into the finals today, what are your thoughts, Jarvis?
So my first thought is one, to have fun, two, just to play my game, and three, to never give up, play every point like it's the last, and be the best man win.
Okay. I wish you two the best of luck today.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
No. Any comments on the tournament and overall play today?
Yeah, so first, congratulations. Great job. And it's a fun tournament. I made, one of my goals, which was make it to the finals. My second goal, which is okay, is just win it. But I've won it before, so I take solace in that and be grateful that I'm able to play physically. And yeah, he played better than me. I mean, I made too many errors, and he had some good shots and very much more consistent. And so I think that was the determining factor. I couldn't hold my serve, and when I did, and broke him, he broke me back. So I never could get my footing.
Yeah.
But kudos to him for great back.
Yeah, tennis any days, right?
Any day, yeah.
Any day you like to win.
Yeah.
So Tinder, congratulations.
Thank
Tinder.
I guess I got lucky. It's one of those days, I was just trying to avoid Jarl's forehand. You might have seen already. It's amazing shots from that side and with amazing angles. So I was deliberately trying to avoid that. And I was constantly reminding myself, my wife tells me always like, try to avoid unforced errors. So I was trying not to go for winners, just getting the ball back and let him do the work. And but today it worked. It doesn't work most of the time, but I got lucky today.
Good job. Well done. Guys, hold up the plaque. One last picture. Okay.